Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Today, we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas and also we are going to discuss about the learning process of students with a very fun and interesting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a chapter called I Want. The chapter number is 4. This chapter I Want is from NCERT syllabus, class 2, subject English. So how we are going to learn this chapter? We are going to learn this chapter with the help of an innovative idea called theme-based attendance. So what are the innovation behind this innovative idea, theme-based attendance? The innovation is to using attendance as a medium for learning. That is, during roll call, the student should answer the questions according to the theme instead of saying present. So this is the innovation behind this innovative idea. What are the objectives of this innovative idea? What are the objectives of this innovative idea? The objective is to revise the concepts of singular and plural. So how we are going to implement this idea? Inform the students that today we are going to do attendance in a different way. That is, we are going to answer the attendance by telling a singular word and as well as the corresponding plural form of that particular word. For example, roll number 1, Priya. Frog, frogs. Roll number 2, Ria. Elephant, elephants. So in this way, continue this process till all the students answer the attendance. And in this way, the implementation process goes on. What are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea? The learning outcomes are the students able to identify characters and sequence of events in a story or in a poem. Also, the students able to express verbally. Students able to ask questions about the sequence of events and characters in a story. The students able to respond comprehension questions in a story. The students develop their core life skills such as critical thinking, effective communication and decision making. The students collect records and interpret simple information. Even the poor learners and the children with disabilities can improve their learning process with the help of this innovative idea, theme-based attendance. Experiential learning takes the students from the abstract world to the real world. So these are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, theme-based attendance. If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe Sri Aurobindo Society's YouTube channel ZIIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.